Hello everyone, I'm going to quickly show you how easy to fix the black screen error in Overwatch 2. So let's start. Now for the first step, go to the Windows icon. After that, make sure to head to settings. Now all you have to do, go to Windows Update in the left menu and make sure to install the latest available updates for Windows. After that, go to the search once again and search for NVIDIA app. Now make sure you are already connected to an account. After that, go to drivers and select install. After that, select express or custom installation and click on continue to initiate the process. Now once you do that, go to the search again and type in device manager. This will open, so go search for processors, open it. After that, right click on the first one and select update driver. Select search automatically for drivers. After that, select close. Now go to the Windows taskbar. You can see this upside arrow, open it. After that, search for the launcher that you have your game on. For me, Steam. Right click on it. After that, select exit Steam. Now for the last step, open the launcher, go to library. After that, go to collections, search for Overwatch 2 and then straight to this gear icon in the right and go to select properties. After that, go to installed files in the left and click on verify integrity of game files. Go straight to the Steam logo in the top left corner. After that, select settings, click on storage. After that, go to these three dots, select it and then select repair library. Make sure you select the drive that you downloaded Overwatch 2 on. And that's it. If you find this video is helpful, make sure to like and subscribe and see you on the next one.